Friends, welcome to my channel Unscrambler, and today in this video I will solve this LAN rhombic octahedron cube. So this is very simple and very easy cube, and we can solve this cube same like this simple cube. If we can solve this simple cube, so we can easily solve this LAN rhombic octahedron cube. So if we check this simple cube, in this cube these big size piece, so these are our centers and these three sticker piece are our corners. So in this simple cube we have only center and corner piece. Similar, in this cube these are our center, so this big size piece, this is our center, this is also our center, this is also center, and these three sticker piece are our corner piece. So we can solve this cube same like this simple cube. So now I will scramble these two cube and I will solve these two step by step. I have scrambled both cube. So our first step I will show in this simple cube. When we solve this simple cube, so our first step we will select any one center piece and we will connect all four corner piece with this center. I mean, if I select this white, so our first step we will connect all four white corner piece with this white center. This is first white corner, so this is fixed properly, and now you can see in this side we have orange, so we will find any one white corner piece same like that. So this is fixed, this is also fixed, and also we can see from this position these pair are matching properly. So this is white blue, we will find our white blue corner piece. So this is white blue, we will fix on this position, and this is our last corner piece. So in this simple cube, our first step we can select any one center piece and we will connect all four corner piece, and we will also match these pair. And now similar in this rhombic cube, we will select any one center. I can select this center, I can select this, I can select, so any one center I can select, and first step we will connect all four corner piece with center. For example, if I can select this center piece, so first we need to fix on this position one corner piece. So we will find any corner piece, blue, purple and blue. So in this right layer we have no any piece, so we will rotate this down layer like that. Okay, and now again we will find our blue and purple corner piece. Again we will rotate this down layer, and now we will rotate this right layer. Okay, so we have blue and purple on this position, so first we will bring on this side, and now we will bring on this side. So now you can see in this corner piece we have available blue and purple. We will just need to rotate this corner piece, so we will rotate this piece in this position, then rotate this back layer and bring it back. So one corner piece we have fixed properly. Similar, in this side we need green and purple, so we have available green and purple, we will just need to rotate. So again we will place this corner piece on this position, then rotate this layer and bring it back. So this is also fixed properly, this is also matching properly, and in this side we need blue and pink. Okay, so this is our blue and pink corner piece and that is fixed properly. But sometime we can find this kind of situation with our last corner piece. I mean, this is fixed, this is also fixed, this is also and this corner piece we need to rotate. So when we need to rotate this corner, so first we will place this corner piece on this position, then rotate this layer, and now we will bring this piece on its proper position, and also we will bring this piece on its proper position. So we can check this is not matching properly. Again we will place this corner piece on this position and then rotate this layer and bring it back. So this is fixed, and also we will bring this layer back. So this is also fixed. So this is our first step, same like this simple cube. This is our center. We have fixed our all four corner, and also in this cube we have fixed all four corner. So when we fix all four corner piece, so our next step we will place our cube like that. We will place this solved portion in this bottom side, and now we will find our color from this top position. So in this time we have red center, so we will find our red headlights like that, and now we will apply our cube algorithm, down, down, up, up. This is fixed, and now we have in our top side green, so we will find green in our front side, and again apply down, down, up, up. This is fixed. Now we have orange, so we will find orange pair and apply down, down, up, up. Orange is fixed. Now we have red, and we will find our red pair and apply down, down, up, up. Okay, so red is fixed, green is fixed, orange is fixed, and blue is also. And in top side we have yellow color. Similar in this simple in this cube, as you can see, we have connected our all four corner piece with this center, and now we will find its opposite center. So its opposite center we have on this position. So if we check cube like that, so there is purple pair, it's mean we will match on this position purple color, black is matching properly, pink is matching properly. In this side we need yellow. Now we will find our ideal color from this top opposite center. So this is our first center, and this is our opposite. So there is yellow. First we will find our yellow in our right and left side. So we can see we have no any yellow color. We will leave this piece, and we have light purple. So we will find in this corner. Okay, so we can see we have light purple on this position, I mean left side. So when we find our ideal color in left side, so we will apply down, down, up, up clockwise, down, down, up, up. So this is done, and now there is black. First we will find our black on this left and right side. So there is no black, there is also no black. We will leave this color. This is already fixed. There is yellow, so there is no yellow, and there is yellow available. And now we can see in this time we have our ideal color in our right side. It's mean this time we will apply our algorithm anti-clockwise, down, down, up, up. This is fixed, and now we have in this position light purple. So there is blue, there is green. It's mean we will leave this piece. There is black. Okay, so we have available black on this position. So in this time we can see our piece is matching from right side. It's mean we will apply our algorithm clockwise, down, down, up, up. So this is done. In this time we have pink, and now you can see our pink color available on its proper position. We will just need to rotate this center. Yellow is also fixed, and similar in this side we need light purple, and also we have light purple on this position. So when we find this kind of situation, we can select this corner, and also we can select this center. So any one center we can select. If I select this, So we will apply down down up up 2 times and our this center will match with this color properly. Similar, if I select this center, so again I will apply down down up up 2 times. So any one center I can select down down up up down down up up. So this is done, and now this is matching properly. There is black, so we have black available on this center. There is pink, so we have also pink available on this center, and there is yellow, and also we have yellow on this position. So only one center is matching properly and other 3 centers are rotated. So when we find this kind of situation, we will hold cube like that. One center that we need to rotate, place in our front. Second, we will place in this right position. Third, we will place in this left side, and this solved center we will place in this back position. And this time we will apply down down up up 2 times and our all 4 center will match properly. I mean, we will place this rotated center in front. Second, we will place in left side, and third we will place in left side. Down down up up. Again we will apply down down up up. And now you can see pink is done, yellow is also done, light purple is also done, black is also done. So this is same situation. Blue is done, red is done, green is done, and orange is done. And now we have left with this top center. We will just solve our this top center. So in this position we can face 2 kind of situation. This is our first situation. In this situation we can see our 2 corner piece are rotated, 2 are matching properly. If we check same situation in this simple cube, so our 2 corner piece are rotated, 2 are matching properly. So in this simple cube, when we find this kind of situation, so we will select any one corner piece. If I select this corner piece, so first I will check this corner piece. This orange will fix on this side, green will fix on this side, yellow will fix on this side. I mean, this corner piece we need to rotate clockwise, and its opposite corner we need to rotate anti-clockwise. We can see blue will fix on this side, red will fix on this side, yellow will fix on this side. So this corner is rotating anti-clockwise, this is rotating clockwise. So when we can select any one corner piece. So if I select this corner piece, so we can check this corner piece. Green will fix on this side, red will fix on this side, yellow. So this corner is rotating clockwise. If I hold cube like that, I mean, if I select this corner piece, I will place this corner piece in this left side, and second rotated corner piece we will place in this right side. And we can see this is rotating clockwise. It means we will apply our algorithm 2 times anti-clockwise. So our algorithm is, so this is our clockwise algorithm and this is our anti-clockwise algorithm. So this is our this piece we need to rotate clockwise. It means we will apply 2 times algorithm anti-clockwise. Down down up up down down up up. And now you can see 2 times we have applied our algorithm and we can face this kind of situation. I mean, all 4 corner piece that we need to rotate. So this is our ideal situation. And similar in this rhombus cube, we can see we have rotated our 2 corner piece. But in this cube, if we check our corner, so this silver we need to fix on this side, green will fix on this side, and red will fix on this side. So this corner is rotating anti-clockwise. But in this rhombus cube, we will find corner, I mean this corner that we need to rotate anti-clockwise. So we will also apply our algorithm 4 times anti-clockwise. if I select this corner piece, so this corner piece we need to rotate clockwise. So if we select this corner piece, so we will also apply our algorithm clockwise 4 times. I mean, if I select this corner piece, so green will fix on this side, orange will fix on this side, purple will fix on this side. So this corner piece we need to rotate clockwise. So we will hold cube like that. One corner we will place in left side, second we will place in this bottom side, and we will apply algorithm clockwise, down, down, up, up, one time, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, 3 times, down, down, up, 4 times. And now you can see we have created same situation. I mean, this is our center, this is also our center, and all 4 corner piece are rotated. We can see this is center and all 4 corner piece are not matching with this center. Similar in this cube we can see this is center and they are all not matching properly. And in this simple cube we can find this kind of situation. I mean, we have available yellow pair, so we will place this yellow pair in this left side and apply cube algorithm 2 times, down, down, up, and again we will apply down, down, up, and our cube will be solved. But in this cube we will check our these 4 corner piece. 2 corner piece will rotate clockwise and 2 corner piece will rotate anti-clockwise. If I check this corner piece, so we can see this is rotating anti-clockwise. If I check this corner piece, so this is rotating clockwise. If I check this corner piece, so this is also rotating clockwise. So this is rotating clockwise, this is also rotating clockwise, and its opposite, they are rotating anti-clockwise. This orange will fix on this side, green will fix on this side, purple will fix on this side. Similar, this red will go in this position, blue will fix on this side, orange will fix on this side. So in this cube, if I select these 2 corners, so we can see they are rotating anti-clockwise. If I select these two, so I will apply our algorithm clockwise because they are rotating anti-clockwise. So our algorithm, we will place our cube like that. We will place these 2 pieces in this top position and these 2 pieces will place in this bottom side, and apply our algorithm clockwise because they are rotating anti-clockwise. So we will apply down, down, up, 1 time, down, down, up, 2 times, down, down, up, 3 times, down, down, up, 4 times, and our cube is done. And I will show second case. Again we have same case, same like that. This is our last center, all corners are not matching properly. This is our last center, all corners are not matching. But in this simple cube we will find yellow headlights and apply 2 times, down, down, up, and our cube will be solved. And in this cube we will check our all 4 corner piece. So if we check this corner piece, this is rotating clockwise. If we check this corner piece, this is also rotating clockwise. So they are rotating clockwise, and similar, they are rotating anti-clockwise. Green will fix on this side, red will fix on this side, silver will fix on this side. Similar, we can check this corner piece, so this is also rotating anti-clockwise. So in this time I will select these 2 corner piece, they are rotating clockwise. So when we select these 2 corner piece, we will apply 4 times our algorithm anti-clockwise. So we will place these 2 corner piece, they are rotating clockwise, and this time we will apply anti-clockwise algorithm 4 times, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up and up, and you can see we have solved our this cube.